More news coming in at this point in time. The Judicial Commission has reached Mahakumbh Mela Kshetra in Prayagraj to investigate the stampede that occurred here on the 29th of January. Remember, the Uttar Pradesh government had set up a commission to investigate this matter, and in connection with the investigations, a team has reached here to look at this issue and to investigate this matter. Going straight across to Santosh for more details on that, joins us from the location where the team is at this point in time. Santosh, the requirements from this commission really is to put together a detailed report on what started the stampede, what happened here, what really went wrong, whose fault of it was it, and to, of course, then seek accountability, hopefully.
Definitely, this Judicial Commission is formed to to fix the accountability for this whole stampede, due to which 30 persons lost their lives, and due to which UP government has ordered a Judicial Commission inquiry, and this commission will submit its report in 1 month, headed by the Allahabad High Court retired Justice Harsh Kumar, including retired IPS of UP cadre DG VK Gupta and retired IAS DK Singh. All these 3 members of the Judicial Commission will submit their report within 1 month, and this report will tell why this stampede happened, who were the responsible, what arrangements were not taken, and in future what measures should be taken to avoid such incident, whether it was related to the crowd management, whether it was related to the crowd entry and exit system, and whether it was fixing the responsibility of the concerned officers. So a detailed report will be submitted by this Judicial Commission headed by the retired Justice of Allahabad High Court Harsh Kumar with other 2 members, and they will submit their detailed report within 1 month. And after that, we can expect, because 30 persons have lost their life, then UP government, we can expect that UP government will take some actions, those who were responsible for this negligence, and those due to which this incident became the black spot on the whole governance of the UP, and even the Mahakumbh, which that arrangement was said to be a grand, but this incident in which 30% lost their lives became the controversial and created a controversy on the management, on the system created by the UP government, and claiming that 10 crore people will take a holy dip on Mauni Amavasya, and when crowd gathered, unfortunate incident of a stampede happens. How this happens?
Santosh getting into those details. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Santosh Sharma with that report from Prayagraj.